Hi! In front of me is Hafury GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security section. After that, tap on Screen Lock and apply the best locking method for you: pattern, PIN or password. Now create it. Choose Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then select Confirm. Now answer this question by tapping on one of those options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I don't want any, so I will go with the last option and click on Done at the bottom right corner one more time. So when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!